Hello, my country people, my beautiful people, and let me thank you guys first. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for watching my video, for the thumbs up, for the like, for the share, and everything. God bless each and every one of you. Where my people, many people don't hear the news where yours they go on for social media, and I decide to talk my own opinion about that they freeze David Bieyomi and Oyedepo. Oyedepo I say women need to submission to their husband. Yes, that one are definitely true, but no be only women need to submit to their husband. Also with their husband need to submit it to their wife as well, because for that Naija, because I don see say a lot of things women need to bow down. Women must surely be women. Yes, marriage na for both sides. E no mean say we marry or husband and wife only me one go dey bow down and the other one no, e go be different equally. And that the freeze react to the post wey Oyedepo talk say no be only women need to submit to their husband, and as well to the man as well to their wife, and it's truth. Now Bieyomi come refer to that. If we say, why is he referring to Oyedepo, im own daddy, im own GO and whatever? Even Jesus Christ that created this heaven and earth, that created everybody on this earth, people they humiliate God. There's no manner of things where they don't talk about God, but he still forgive us. Why e be say for that Africa, let me say Africa say, oh, if pastor talk, and if we refer to wetin pastor to say, pastor wetin you talk, you no talk and we no, they'll say na sin, or maybe they'll say you are insulting the GO or the mama GO. No, it's not like that. We are in this world, and everybody have permit of speech. No be all those days wey people go talk and a person go dey fear to talk. No, we are not living that years of 200 years ago. We are in 2020, for Christ God's sake. You know me say that the person na pastor, everything wey that the person talk, e go right. No, pastor are you human being like me and you. There's no different thing. It doesn't mean say they be pastor, or anytime wey they preach or anytime wey they pray, God will fit hear their prayer before you wey no be pastor. No, God answer everybody equally, and there's no way where you talk to God or where you pray to God where God no go answer you. But for some Nigeria, for some Africa people, anytime with their pastor or their GO, their mama GO talk something, when you question their mama GO, their papa GO, they'll feel say maybe you are against God, against them. No, if they say something that is not right or that is not good, we have the right to question people. We have to tell them, say, this one is not right, this one is not right. That is why Nigeria is still in the backward, because we don't question anything wey dem your talk, we dey say yes. That is why Africa, Nigeria still remain as e dey since how many years. David Ibieyomi, he come and say, why that the freeze dey insult Oyedepo. I no see any insult for all these things at all, because the man said, Oyedepo said that women need to submit to their husbands. Now that the freeze replied to the statement wey Oyedepo to say, not only the women, also as men to need to submit to their wife as well, and it's truth. We are not living in that marriage where a man will just talk one thing, the woman will just dey shake. No, women still have the right to talk, to voice their own voice out. Anything Africa, when woman will just talk, they'll say, no, what are you talking about? Is it mean that we are women or whatever? All these things needs to stop in that Africa. If not, Africa cannot move on. Especially that Naija pastors. I'm just saying it for the fact. I'm not saying Naija pastors, they are the problem that we have in that Nigeria. I'm telling you guys. I know some people that will come after me. It's not true. The politician and pastors, they are the problem that we are facing in that country. And the pastors are the ones supposed to help us, the masses, so that the country will be a better place, so that the country will change. No, they are not preaching against all those. God called them to win souls God called them to win souls, not to talk about this or talk about that one. And the important thing for them to talk, they are not just saying it at all. They are not talking about that one at all. There is no way where you serve your God that God will not answer your prayer. This Christianity is inside mind. Not by going to church every day by day, or by attending evening service or Monday service or whatever. No, Christianity is in the mind. But sometimes the way some Nigerian people carry this Christianity on put their head, and sometimes I just the one that say Christianity is inside mind, not be by to go to church every day by day. And church is just a building. There is no way where you will serve your God, where you call upon your God, where God no go answer you in any way, in any area, in every minute, in every second. God is there to answer each and everybody heart desire. E no mean say because you go to church or you pay offering regularly, or you pay your tithe regularly, that is where God will answer you. No, my dear. In any way you call upon him, God is there to answer everybody. And the worst thing of it wey this man did, David Ibiyeomi, and insult that the day he was born. No, he never reach like that, because you are not the God that creates that the freeze, or you don't create anybody. You don't have the right to insult the day when that person was born, because it's God that creates everybody. It's God that creates everybody to this earth, and for that reason you don't. And you say that you are serving God, and just imagine the words that you mention on your congregation and in front of your members. Oh my God! And people were saying amen to that your prayer. Where I don't blame them, because many of them they are still gullible people, and I pray that one day their inner eye will open for them to see that all those Naija pastors, I'm still saying it, 100% Nigeria pastors that we have there, 99.9 they are fake. Yes, I'm still saying it. They are fake. They are fake. They are just working for themselves, and they are not working for God at all. You will see a pastor in front of God, in members of congregation, he will be insulting with no. Even unbelievers don't do things like that. And you people, and you call yourself God that call you is okay. It's God that call you to be insulting people like that, and then you people will stand in front of a congregation and be insulting people and be using God did not say you should insult people. Should bless them. Should bless them, not insulting people. When my people, because anytime I'm talking about a pastor, because sometimes, many times I get upset, because the way all those Naija pastors, the way they are preaching, the way they are turning their Bible upside down, sometimes that is why many people, for them to even go to church, because of all those pastors. I know that we are not people are not we are not going to church because of all these pastors. We are just going to church because of we want and we love to go to church. Because if you will look at all this our Naija pastors, the way they are doing, many of them, the way they are doing, for you to even dress up and go to church, the something will just tire you. And this man, he need to apologize to Daddy Freeze mom, because for him to insult the mom, because it's the man said that he caused the day that Daddy Freeze was born. How can you cause something that God created to this world? How can you cause that thing? You don't have the right to. If Daddy Freeze that do you something, just face Daddy Freeze. Don't say that you caused the day that he was born to this world. Because what I understand about this life, about this Bible, is that it's God that create everything. Both the animals or not, it's God. Both the trees, the plants, and everything is God that creates everything. Why do you insult what God creates? And you say you call yourself a pastor. You say you are a minister to people. How can you do something like that? Well, my people, and what do you think about this video? And let me leave you guys because this video will not be too long. I just want to do it maybe like 10 minutes, so that if I say that I should continue like this, they go break. I just want to do it short. And what do you think about this video? Don't fail to leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you guys. Bye. I see you on my next video. Ciao.